Good evening, madam. My name is Sainath Reddy. I am from CSMC section. Today, my topic is case study on Super Money UPI by Flipkart. Introduce company Flipkart product Super Money, a UPI based payment and financial service app. Launch beta version released in early 2024. Objective expanded Flipkart's presence in fintech and enhance user stickiness. Problem statement: market saturation. UPI market dominated by PhonePe, Google Pay, and Paytm. User figures displaying engagement with scratch card rewards, limited credit card credit access, lack of meaningful cashback or easy credit options. Super Money as a solution. Core offering: UPI payments with real cashback up to 5%. Super Card, Rupee credit card for merchant UPI. Super Deposit, fixed deposit options. Super Cash, pre-approved professional credit lines. Tech stack: UPI via S Bank card via Axis Bank. User journey: app download, bank account linking, KYC for service, daily transaction with cashbacks, loan or FD setup. Business strategy: customer acquisition, Flipkart and Myntra users. Revenue: interchange, loan, interest, FD fees. Differentiators: real cashback versus scratch card. Result and instant beta. Initial response: high downloads via integrated systems. User feedback: positive on cashback on FDs. Challenges: competing with Google Pay, PhonePe, NPCI limits. SWOT analysis. Strength: Flipkart banking, real cashback. Weaknesses: late entry, trust building. Opportunities: e-commerce integration, financial inclusion. Threats: regular limits, intensive competition. Future outlooks: expanded behind Flipkart ecosystem and mutual funds, ensure AI-based credit score, offline retail partnership. Super Money aims to acquire and retain 30 to 40 million active users by offering a reward and integrated digital financial experience through UPI payments, credit card access, and investing options. Conclusion: a Super Money blended payments, credit and saving in one app. Strong value proposition with real rewards. Potential to distribute with super centric design. And thank you.